Greetings everyone, Nived here, and recently my phone just broke and hence I got this Micromax in 1b. So in this video I'll be unboxing the phone and giving you my first impressions. So without any further ado, let's get into it. So this right here is the Micromax in 1b. So this is one of the two phones Micromax released after their comeback to India. So the comeback has been crazily amazing. It's like superb. I like both the phones released recently, so this is one of it. Anyways, let's go ahead and unbox it. So I peeled the cover off. The box is looking cool, and there is the in branding and the logo of the phone. And by the way, I forgot to tell you, I bought the 64GB version, and even that version is also cheap. Over here we have a lot of in branding. There is a watermark sort of thing. Then at the back there are highlights. It is a MediaTek Helio G35 chipset, then a 6.5-inch screen, a 13 megapixel camera, and one of the greatest highlight is that it's got a 5000 mAh battery at this price range, so that is very good. Then over here we can see the in for India branding. So yeah, that's pretty much it in the box. So let's go ahead and open the seal. Right now, so this is the phone, looking good. Let's keep that aside and check what else is there in the box. So here is the paperwork. Okay, so one of the good factor that Micromax has done is that they give a screen protector in the box, so that is a very good thing, that you don't want to go out to buy one. Then here is the user guide. Then yes, there's the charger brick, that also with an in branding on it. Here's the charger cable, USB type C, that's cool. Alright, so you've seen I've unboxed the phone, and now let's get into my first impressions. And the first thing that I liked about this phone is its design. This phone has the best design that you get for this price. Look at all the gradient toned, dual toned colors. It's just awesome. Second thing is that apart from all the phones that you get at this price, this phone has got a USB type C port. And when I searched for a phone at this price, I couldn't find any other phone other than this with a USB type C port. So that's another very good thing. So if you want to buy a phone at this price with good design and latest trends, that's what the in1b is. And also there are some features that Micromax themselves put into this phone. That's their special dedicated Google Assistant button, which is annoying sometimes, but which can be a good feature for a lot of other people. You just have to press the button and the Google Assistant will pop up. And one thing that surprised me was that this phone came with Android 10, while most of the other phones at this price range comes with Android 9. So that's my first impressions, and the review will be coming in the next couple of weeks, just like the iPad video. So both of them will be coming like in the same week. So stay tuned, subscribe to my channel. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching, and until next video.